Hi everyone, we are launching our WhatsApp Business API and automation services. To start this type of business, you just need domain and hosting, source code, and connect that source code with the hosting and the same with the dashboard. So this is launch your own WhatsApp automation agency program powered by CNM Academy white level solution. You will get fully set up in white level in just 5 days classes. These are the 5 day classes setup. In this D1, we will do the setup and foundation, understanding WhatsApp Business API and WhatsApp Business App, setting up Meta Business Manager, applying for the official API for the green tick criteria, and D2 the dashboard tool, how to use the white label dashboard, connecting the API to the dashboard, adding team member agents to the info, and you will use each and every feature like creating flows, webhook, WhatsApp agent, AI agent, and everything you will do that dashboard. And the D3 building the brain automation with the help of NA10, welcome bot replies, setting up keyword replies. If you say price and bot send price integration, Shopify, WooCommerce, and auto order notification with the NA10 help. And the fourth day, the marketing machine, Meta ad creating Facebook ad campaign, connecting ad to the WhatsApp API, setting up with the Google Sheet, CRM integration using tool like Fevly, Zapier, and internal webhooks, and D5 sales and scaling, how to pitch 9,000 per year package for any type of client with that white level source code that we are giving you. Handing obligation, why this is better for normal WhatsApp. The offer finalizing your white level purchase 60,000 plus GST. You can charge them with your client whatever amount you are. Is this is a fully white level source code, and you can resell as well. So launch your on WhatsApp automation agency powered by CNM Academy white level solution. The exclusive white label offer. Finalize your white label purchase. We will set up your whole system, no extra cost, and earn 5,000 on us with a single customer. Join WhatsApp community. After joining, you will be redirected to, or our team member will add you in WhatsApp API and automation agency, and the course access will directly redirected or delivered to your registered mail and registered phone number. And this is a limited opportunity, guys, only for 50 people. This is the pre-launch offer of this whole program and the whole wide level source code. So of only for 50 people in this price. So go to the site and apply that coupon. Let me show you how you can apply. Okay, so this is the program, and you just need to click on enroll button and put your email, whatever emails you have, Alex Wilson or whatever email you have in your mind. Let me type the CNM Academy. Here is the OTP you have to put onto your dashboard 3582. It's 3582. Every time you will log in, you will get a new OTP, and you have to verify your name, that is CNM Academy. Whatever name you can choose as your personal name is most preferable name. And also you have to register or verify your, and you just sign up now and explore. Just click on launch and you will be redirected to dashboard. This is your dashboard, and you can see in dashboard you are not getting any course, and you can see any type of course because you have not purchased yet that course. And click on to the enroll button, apply your coupon here. This is CNM WA API 2026, and this is for limited people offer only, guys. And this is the final offer that we are offering for only 50 people with proper guidance and with the whole source code. Every day we do 4 p.m. live classes for this API setup, and this need only 2 days to set up, and we will functionally handle your setup by our end. You can click on to the proceed and state, pin code, address, and just click on to the reserve pay button, complete your payment, and you will see your dashboard will be filled with the course, that you will see whole course. And इस course में क्या क्या है मैं आपको बता दूं. This is the first section you will get. In this first section, WhatsApp API dashboard connection, WhatsApp API source code, WhatsApp API approval process. And the second section you will get how to start WhatsApp API business, and then launch your own WhatsApp API agency. These are the 5 day classes, the foundation class, WhatsApp API ecosystem, and the dashboard tool white level setup. And third, other classes is included. Let me show you what other classes included in it. You will see, you can see in the course section, WhatsApp API business, how you can launch your WhatsApp API business. And this syllabus section, this is a 5-day journey and the 5-day recorded classes or a live classes. You will get WhatsApp marketing machine, sales and scaling. You will get each and every guidance with our source code. You can resell as well and join this program. You can't get this offer after this offer gone. And offer valid for coming Sunday. Sunday last date is 14th of December. Grab this offer and meet you in onboarding class. Bye bye, guys.